Hello, I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the questions I've been getting. At the beginning of the year, we have a lot of questions as seventh graders on different programs that we use and how to do certain things. Now, once you learn it once, it's like you never forget it. So I wanted to kind of create a video as a reference so that if you do forget, you can look at this and remind yourself. So how do I create an active link? If there was ever a time that I asked you to create a link and have it active, you might say my first resource or source used. And what I like to do, instead of having a huge long web address, which you could do that. So let's say it's discovery.com. I'm going to highlight it, double click so I can copy, go back, and paste. Now, if I just did that, it would not be active. When I did the space bar, it made it all blue. You could also highlight it and click the link, and that would also make it an active link. Now, instead of having this web address, sometimes I like to use text that they can just click on. So if I used this as the text, I could hit the link. I would paste the web address into it, which would make it blue. So once I click on this, it's going to take me directly where I want to go. Okay, so that's how you make an active link. Now, another question that is usually asked, how do I use Google Slides? So this is going to have to do with your Google Drive, which we all have. So I'm going to create a new tab. I'm going to go, let's say, to my 9 box. That's what we call it. You're going to choose your, well, you could go straight to Slides or your Drive. Either way, let's go straight to Slides. And I want to create a blank one. So now the slide is created. You can give it a name so it doesn't say untitled, or if you forget and then it goes into your Drive and then you have all these untitled things. Let's name it. So let's say presidential research. Good. Okay. And then let's choose a president that we are going to research. Let's say Abraham Lincoln. And then you can use all of these tools at the top here to help you. This will help fill the color. You can add a text box. You can add an image. You can add shapes, lines. There's so much you can do that will create a slideshow. Okay, let's go back to our other questions. There's one left. How do I share something? Now I can do that with this document we have open right now. Up to the right, it says share, this little blue button. And right now it's only to me. What I can do is click on that and I can enter who I want to share this with. So if I want to share this with my friend Amanda, then I could get her information right then and there. Okay. Otherwise, if I want to get the shareable link, I can click on that. And I can get the link if I wanted to share it to someone. And we could make that active because we know how to do that now. Also, up here kind of tells us who is allowed to view. So right now, everyone in the district who has my link can view it. If I click on it, I can say I want to turn that off. And only specific people that I want to see it can see it. Maybe I want anyone at the district can comment, anyone can view it. There's also some more that you can kind of decide how private or how public you want your document to be. All right, and then you can hit send and they will be able to see it. I hope this helped. Please let me know if you have other questions. We will be using that button quite often. Thanks.